I knew you were one of mine. Now, your father has taken the others out for their first swimming lesson. So, how about you and me doing the same right here at the water's edge? Nothing too fancy, mind you. Just the basics to get you started. Oh, it's a bit nippy, but we'll soon warm up. The important thing is to not be afraid of the water. It's not fair. I'm hungry too. Why are you picking on me? Honk, honk. Welcome to the Kitty Cat Snack Shack. Fast food for famished felines. Now, let me see. Casserole of duck with cherries, Peking duck. Here we are. Duck à l'orange. Company, fall in. I didn't mean literally. All right, eyes front. Now, we are about to take part in an exercise, the likes of which we have not faced before. Our task is one of reconnaissance and reunification.